If you are going to watch this for design inspiration, this isn't it.
But if you're looking for one of the rarest plots in District 21, you're gonna want to watch this.
You gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before. You just gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath, and jump.
Today we're going to show you a freehold semi-detached with a land size of 4,940 square feet in District 21.
And we're gonna walk you through why this property, even in its original condition, is worth considering.
This is a standalone semi-detached which looks and feels just like a detached home.
And we've checked, you can in fact rebuild this into a detached.
This house is located in a landed estate of Upper Bukit Timah and has a very nice regular shape, really generous frontage of 11.4 meters and a depth of approx 40 meters. It is just a few minutes drive away from Beauty World MRT and the Chong Cheng Nam food belt.
Nearby, you also have Beauty World Plaza, Beauty World Centre and Rail Mall. If you're a parent looking for schools, we're within 1 km of the popular Pei Hwa Primary and Bukit Timah Primary. Let's go to the heart of the house. This home has been lived in by one family for almost 40 years, super interesting architecture and really high ceilings.
Yeah, so the ceiling height, right, is an auspicious number of 8.88 meters, and this kind of double volume ceiling, you do not get this kind of layout in modern homes anymore. And plus over here, we actually have a huge dining space which you can fit about 8 to 10 packs.
Yeah, so if you like parties, this is perfect space for you. So let's head on up to the living room. What we really like is that the living room is a few steps up from the dining room, which is a clear segregation of space, and you can come up here after your meals to chill.
So the width of this living room is actually 7.77 meters. Sounds a bit intentional, the way they built it.
Yeah, I mean 7.7, 8.88. I think this is a super massive and generous living room. You essentially have two spaces as a flex. You can host definitely a party of like 30, 50 people.
If you have green fingers, you're gonna love this space because look at how huge you have for gardening.
But if you don't, you can push out your building all the way here and build your third or fourth living room or swimming pool.
Here's another super rare feature of the home. The back of the home opens up to so much greenery. Nature lover, you're gonna love this. Now let us show you our favorite part of the house. And you can see Bukit Timah Hill from up here.
Yes, this plot sits in the highest point of the estate, elevated land. Most landed homes in Singapore will never get this view. And this is the part you can't fake. You can renovate a house, but you can't elevate the land. Not this high at least.
Yes, and if you notice, the roads here are really wide and you don't have to worry about parking at all. So this house has 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms plus an attic. So let us share with you some numbers. The recent transaction for District 21 freehold semi-detached is ranging between 1,008 to 2,009 TSF.
And the reason for this wide price range is because every landed property is unique. It depends on the size, the condition and the tenure of the land. A plot of this size is really rare. Recent transactions mostly involve smaller semi-D plots below 3,000 square feet, whereas we are just below 5,000 square feet in same built-up potential.
If you have been thinking about landed, whether is it your first home or your forever home,
You can DM us.